So how is everyone doing? This is Sam. Okay, welcome back to the channel. Um, I saw something today that was us what's how the EOS community thinks and what they expect from EOS monthly, right? There was a survey called this a survey by Chintai. In case you don't know what Chintai is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Is a leasing platform, a platform where you can come to stake or lease your EOS token. And they dropped this Google form for people to say um, how they want to lease their tokens and for how long they want to lease that, and I went through the data and I noticed something about how the current token holders they think, and the result was very I already filled the form. If you haven't filled the form, I'll drop a link in the description below so you can fill it. Right, but there's something remarkable about the result. This is the response from 89%. Yeah, I know 89% is not enough to say, okay, this is how the entire US community reasons or thinks, but at least it's a result from 89 different persons. Who knows the number of different accounts that is 89 different persons have. All right, so um, the blue is for stakers and these other colors for leasers. All right, so now the question is, do you intend to use Chintai primarily as a staker, a leaser? All right, so 85% guys of this 89% of this 89 responses indicated that they want to stake their EOS tokens to make gains, right? So these are just a little amount of people that wants to rent, lease this amount, this tokens from these guys, right? Now we don't know the amount that the amount of EOS that this wants to lease from these guys, right? Who knows? The tokens that are being staked might not be enough for these guys to lease, um, but that's the market for you. Now let's see. Now this is just the number of people that want to stake and the number of people that want to lease. Now let's see how long most of the people want to lease it. All right, so 14% says they want to lease for 1 day. Okay, that's 15%. And there's something remarkable. Now most people want to lease for 4 weeks, so they are looking at monthly income. Right? So at the end of the month, I want to make some percentage. So that's 60% of stakers want to stake their token for um 4 weeks and then get their profit at the end of the month. All right. This just clearly shows that, hey, people trying to make business out of this, right? Bringing in more, to me, that's going to bring in more value and bring in fresh money into EOS, because by the time the first set of people stake and then they make some gains, they'll go tell other people, hey, you can actually stake EOS tokens for that developers to release, and then you make some profits, and then more people buy EOS and more people stake, and less people dump in EOS, right? And I haven't, don't forget that also staking your EOS, not in this time, staking your EOS also gives you some profits, because the RAM fees and the rest will be distributed to all staked tokens, right? And I think BitShares 3.0 and Steemit 2.0 tokens might be airdropped to all to everyone whose tokens are staked. All right, so I really see this response as a high opener for um, to seeing how the current investors they think. But I know that it's nine responses actually not enough to conclude, but at least it shows how the current people reason and how they think. All right. So maybe I haven't responded or filled this form. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can fill it in, and let's see the overall result we get.